Howdy, James here from Kicks Miami, and I'm back to another review. In front of me I have this weekend's past release. This is the Jordan 4 Pearl Pink Iced Carmine, whichever kind of word you want to go with it. But as you can see from the box, the shoe is more than likely going to be pink, which it is. So I'm going to take it out of the box, we're going to take a look at it, and we'll see what you think. Alright, so here it is. This is the Jordan 4 Pearl Pink Iced Carmine. So this was a women's exclusive, but as you know, these days they do normally run up to a men's 10, sometimes even a men's 10 and a half. So able to get my size, never turn down a pink pair of sneakers in general, let alone when they kind of come in one of my kind of more favorite models recently. I think the Jordan 4 has kind of really taken off this year and has become like a staple within my rotation. As you know, they did have the Orchid Pink Jordan 4 kind of released a year or so ago. There was a slightly darker pink, which I think was a great shoe too. Here we're a little bit more on the lighter side, similar to the Jordan 1s that we kind of got maybe 2 years ago now that had that soft pink. So recently we also got a Jordan 4 denim. There was also a women's exclusive, and this kind of feels like that shoe that has now been dyed. So there is it is pretty much denim on the most part on the toe box. Down the side, you get more of a felt feel around the actual very forefoot of the shoe. So it's not denim right there. And then more denim up on the heel collar and so forth. So more denim than I anticipated. Nobody, I think, really spoke to the shoe as being a denim pair. Maybe not the same level or quality as denim as obviously the Levi's pair or even the denim blue pair that released maybe 2 months or so ago, but still definitely meant to be looking like denim. Sole has been like yellowed intentionally, which is good, and then with like kind of this orangey pink threading that goes through the front of the shoe, which is really the only place you see it, along with then a semi-translucent pinkish yellowed sole. So overall, nice touch. You get the Jumpman logo on the back, so no Nike Air on this one, unfortunately, as it's probably not really like an OG. And for the most part, I think it only comes with one color laces, which is that same yellowed color as the sole. So overall, really nice looking shoe. Probably would have made more sense to release this pair before Easter as opposed to after Easter, because I think you can all kind of agree that this is really an Easter color. But I think even stepping into the summer months now with the sun out, I think this is gonna hit really nicely. So obviously, again, can't turn down a pink pair of shoes. So we're gonna be rocking these tomorrow, as it is Wednesday, or today, Wednesday, or whatever day it is that you decide to watch this video. I'll be wearing them on a Wednesday. So yeah. So again, before you leave, if you could please hit that subscribe button, I really would appreciate it. And also then follow me along on socials at Kicks Miami. And I'll be back again with another review soon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.